ever since the lockdown has begun, I've been I've been making either these audio or video messages to thank friends for, you know, the friends who've really left an impact on my life. So, there's this one friend I have. Her name's Divya Bharat. She was my sister's classmate actually, and she was my senior in school. So, way back in the 10th standard, I remember going to her for maths tuitions, and she was like this very honest maths teacher, because mathematics, that subject, yeah, I mean, so but I have to say this, I've been writing these short ebooks, and for which, people whom I feel are really remarkable, I take their short interview and include it in an ebook. That is, I've been writing about, it's called the Hand of God series. People who I feel they really have the hand of God on them. They've been blessed, or in terms of no matter what situation they've faced in life, they've turned it around. I'm very impressed by such people. So I've been contacting, contacted around easily around 14 15 people. But of all the people, when I told Divya that I'll be including her in this little list, oh my God, you should have seen that excitement. And there's that word called glee, right? I mean, children have the glee. So she was so happy. I mean, I've always felt Divya look much younger than her age. Nobody could ever tell she's like her kids will soon be in middle school, and they're well, but she looks still like a cute little teenager. So yesterday I understood why, because it's like my mom used to say, that in life, if you really have that, if that level of happiness that apparently is said to, it's my grandmom used to say it increases the blood in the body. It's like that level of happiness. So just seeing her so happy made me like, see, I'm getting almost emotional making this, because it's been a while, yeah, since most people, if you look around, we are very guarded with our emotions. We don't, uh, it, it's all of us, the entire planet, we are busy putting on a whole facade of being intelligent or being thing, but the childlike glee, the ones who can retain it, it's grace. So thank you, Divya. I just feel, I think I'm just plain lucky to have interacted with you yesterday, because yesterday, I don't know, I was just feeling low about so many things, but that one phone call from her, and it made my day. So just always retain this childlike enthusiasm and spirit, because it's rare. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.